how to navigate our Excel interface, we will proceed with processing our data. We can also process our data using tables in Excel. So for this exercise, we will use Spotify artist dataset. Our data includes artist name, genre, popularity score, number of followers, male and female followers, and then the total followers. Okay, so we can format this. We can select everything and then format this using the um, font section and include border. So we can select this to put borders in all sides of your cells. You can also just click this for outside borders only or thick outside borders, and you can format your borders here, the style. So for this example, I will click all borders so that every cell will have border. Okay. And just for illustration purposes, let's try changing the line color of our border. Let's see this one. Okay. Now we can um, sort our data. For example, I want to rearrange my data according to number of followers, total number of followers. Let's say from largest to smallest. There are multiple ways on how you can sort your data in Excel. First is using our sort button under the data tab. So this is our sort button, right? You can select your column, right? And then sort. And then you can choose which field you will sort your data. So let's see, total number of followers, and I want it to be sorted from largest to smallest. Okay. What happened is the entire table was sorted according to the total number of followers. So now this is arranged from largest to smallest here, and everything else followed. Let's try again using another column. Let's say male follower. So we can do sort. Let's select male, and let's see, say I want to arrange this from smallest to largest. I can also do that. Okay, so this this is now arranged according to smallest to largest male followers. We can also do multiple sorting in Excel. So for example, I want to sort according to total number of followers again, from largest to smallest. And I want to sort according to, let's say, artist name. What we can do is we can add level of another, we can add another another field here, and then we can select, let's say, artist name, and I want to sort it alphabetically. So what happens is this gets sorted first, and then this is sorted after. So that multiple layer of sorting would be useful if in case you have, let's say, same information here, and you want this to be sorted, then you can do that. Okay, we can also filter our data in Excel. Let's say we want to show certain data and take out other information. We can also filter using this button. Okay, so you click this. What happens is there will be a small um, drop down arrow here. That means you can click this and select your data that you want to show or hide. So if it is checked, then it is included in the data that will be shown. And if it's not, then it will be filtered out. Okay. So let's say I want to show um, certain artists only and take out the rest. So we will not check the others and select these artists only can do that. What happens is your data set will be filtered. So it will show those you have selected. That's how we filter information in Excel. You can check that select all box to select everything again. Then click OK. Okay, so that's how we filter. That's how we use the filter button. You can also filter data according to some conditions. For example, in this case, we will use the number filter. Let's say I want to filter those with followers greater than. I can select the condition here. Let's say greater than um, 15 million. Now our condition is just to show those artists with followers greater than 15 million. What will happen is those with less than 15 million will be hidden and only those greater than 15 million will be shown here. That's how we use the number filter button. Okay, so now that we know how to use the sort and filter, we can also create an official table in Excel using the button here, insert and um, insert table here. The advantage of creating an official table in Excel is once you update something in one column, the entire table will be updated. So you can actually update the design of your table here. You can change everything here in the format or the table styles here. So that's how we create an official table in Excel.